Hi everyone, welcome back to Beginner's Guide for Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code, one of the most popular code editors out there. Whether you're coding in PHP, JavaScript, Python, or any other language, VS Code is a great tool to have. First, let's download Visual Studio Code. Open your web browser and go to the official website at code.visualstudio.com. I've included the link in the description below. Click Download for Windows. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. You'll see the setup wizard appear. Read and accept the license agreement. Then click Next. Next, choose the installation location. The default is usually fine, so click Next. You can also select additional tasks like creating a desktop icon or adding VS Code to your path. These options are useful, so I recommend checking them before clicking Next. Click Install to begin the installation. The process should only take a few minutes. Once it's done, click Finish to launch Visual Studio Code. And that's it! You've successfully installed Visual Studio Code on your computer. You're now ready to start coding in your favorite programming languages. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.